Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one, similar for the second one. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 3 tan t square number 3. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds, we have the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt, after we do first derivative of tan t. So I will put this one gone here. If we put this one in here, we have 3 tan t square. The s we change by this one. So number 3, we can do about factorization. This one, we have secant of t square. This one, we have 9 secant of t to the power of 4. Next, we simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And the square root of number 3 over 9. So we have to put them go outside. Next, about this one, we need to expand. We know that secant of t, that is about 1 over cosine t. So this one will go to numerator. So we know that tan t square, that's about sine t square over cosine t square. Tan t, we have sine t over cosine t. This one, we have 3 sine t square. This one, we have sine t cosine t. So 3 sine t square, we have 2 sine t square and sine t square. I will put this one in here. Next, this one, we have number 1, 2 sine t cosine t, we change sine 2t. This is about trigonometric identity. Sine t square, we change 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So we simplify. So 1 plus 1 we have number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 2 we have 2t. The integration of cosine 2t we have negative 1 over 2 sine 2t. The integration of this one we have negative the square root of number 3 over 2 cosine 2t. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 3. So we have t equal to arctan of this one. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.